Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a close-up on these My Little Pony characters. These are Gen 1 ponies from the 1980s. This line specifically is the candy cane ponies that I'm going to be showcasing today. She has a purple body and caramel corn as her cutie mark. Her curls are factory curls, and her hair color is this pinkish red and white. This next pony is Sugar Sweet, and she is a pink body pony with a unicorn horn. She also has cotton candy as her cutie mark. Her hair was a little bit of a journey just because it was very messy. This next pony is named Lemon Treats, and she's a yellow bodied pony with a pink cake slice as her cutie mark. Her curls are mostly factory curls. I just had to restore them a little bit by twirling them because they were all a little bit knotted together. But she turned out really cute, as you can see, and honestly she's probably my favorite pony from this line. You'll have to let me know down below which one's your favorite. Oh, and she has pink eyes. How cool is that? The only pink eye that's cool. I'm totally leaving that in there. This pony's name is Mint Dreams, and she has a turquoise blue body, and she has little lollipops on the side for cutie marks. Her hair was an interesting journey, mostly because she's a more rare pony, and the only one that I could find that was reasonably priced was this one, and her hair was chopped a little bit, but I was able to spruce it up, give her a conditioning treatment, and I think she looks pretty cute. Okay, so those are the 4 ponies I have from the candy cane line. And there are 2 other ones, and their names are Sugar Apple and Molasses. And I'm sure one day I will have them all because they are just so stinking cute and I want them all. They're very adorable. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I want to say thank you so much for watching. And until next time, I will talk to you all later. Bye.